In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check interference between bodies in Fusion 360. This is a very important step when working with assemblies because sometimes parts that look correct visually can actually overlap or collide with each other. If those issues aren't caught early, they can cause serious problems during manufacturing, machining, or 3D printing. The good news is that Fusion 360 there has a built-in interference checking tool that quickly finds these problems for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to locate interfering parts and fix them before moving forward with your design. And if you find tutorials like this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future Fusion 360 tips and guides. Now let's jump right into it. First, open your assembly inside Autodesk Fusion 360. This method works best when you're working with multiple bodies or components that are meant to fit together as a complete assembly. Once your design is open, take a moment to make sure all the components you want to test are visible in the workspace. Interference detection works by comparing the physical space that each body occupies in the model. Next, go to the top toolbar and click on Inspect. Inside the Inspect menu, you'll see several analysis tools available in Fusion 360. The one we're looking for is called Interference. Click on Interference to open the Interference Checking dialog box. This tool is specifically designed to analyze assemblies and detect overlapping geometry between parts. After opening the interference tool, you now need to select the bodies or components that you want Fusion 360 to analyze. You can click directly on parts in the canvas or select them from the browser panel on the left side. If you want to check the entire assembly, simply select all the components involved. Fusion 360 will compare the selected bodies and determine whether any of them occupy the same physical space. Once your parts are selected, go ahead and click the Compute button in the Interference window. Fusion 360 will now run the analysis and calculate whether any geometry overlaps between the selected components. This process usually takes just a moment depending on the complexity of your assembly. If interference exists, Fusion 360 will automatically highlight the interfering areas in the workspace. These highlighted regions show exactly where the parts are intersecting. The results panel will also display information about the interfering components and the volume of the interference. This makes it very easy to locate the problem area and decide how to fix it, whether that means adjusting clearances, modifying dimensions, or repositioning components in your design. A helpful tip to remember is that interference checking is extremely useful before sending a design to manufacturing or before exporting files for 3D printing. Even small overlaps between parts can cause assemblies to fail during production or prevent parts from fitting together properly. Running an interference check only takes a few seconds and can save you a lot of the time and frustration later in the design process. And that's how you check interference between bodies in Fusion 360. It's a quick but powerful tool that helps ensure your assemblies fit together correctly. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tutorials and practical design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.